Hey y'all. So I'm gonna just get my sign prepped. To do that, we're gonna put just a little dab of super glue. Not much. The more you put, the longer it takes to cure. And we ain't got all year. Y'all, this sign just kept finding its way back into the pile of signs that we did earlier. So I took it as a sign that we should make a wreath with it tonight. It's the if the shoe fits one. So while that glue sets, we're just gonna move this over here. Let's grab a ring board, get some pipe cleaners. We're gonna put one in every one of the outside, every other outside, every other inside. So y'all, I'm just gonna get all the pipe cleaners in there, then I'll go back and twist them. This will be a 24-inch wreath. All the way around. Y'all, I'm gonna do this whole wreath with leftover pieces. So this is an open roll of 21-inch. We've got an open roll of 10, 10, 10, and 10. So we got our 21-inch. We're gonna curl the side in on both sides. Then we're gonna just scrunch it right down the middle. Now we're gonna do a 10-inch poof all the way around the inside. All right. So 10-inch poof. We're going big on this one. What is the base called? It's called a ring board. You can get it at Deco Exchange. So there's our inner. Now we're gonna add ruffles all the way around the outside. So I'm just gonna layer the 4 colors. All right, just pushing this out so I can get a 30-inch measurement. We're gonna need 8 total. Now we need 2 sets of 20. All right, so all of these are cut at 20 inches and these are cut at 30 inches. We're gonna put the 30-inch ruffle on the outside. All right, for our ruffle, y'all, no matter what you're gonna do, your mesh is gonna fray. So the purpose of doing the 30-inch ruffle is so that you can curl in the outside just a little bit and then ruffle down the middle. And now all of your cut edges are hidden and it won't fray. So we're gonna add one 30-inch ruffle all the way around the outside. So we're using a variety of mesh. This is a fabric mesh. This one was a value mesh. One of those is a light foil, and another one a fabric one. So that is our 10-inch poofs on the inside and 30-inch ruffles on the outside. Now we're gonna do 20-inch ruffles right into the poofs that we did. All right, so we're gonna do a curl, and just scrunch it up the middle and add that in here. There's our fun little wreath. All right, we're gonna add our pipe cleaners right to the mounting squares. All right, so let's look at this wreath, okay? Although the wreath is in a circle, because these grays are different than the rest, it makes it look like the wreath is not even. So I want to counteract those two pieces with our sun. Right, so if I put my sign from gray to gray, it's gonna make the whole thing look like it just keeps going. So I'm gonna turn it and just kind of bring your attention back to the sun. So I'm just gonna find some holes in the ring board that were already there. All right, our sign's in there. Let's pick out our ribbons. So y'all, we just need a smaller bow. Nothing too big. So we're gonna do an 8-inch tail and probably start with about 6-inch loops. Why do you put the tails across instead of next to each other? I like them across. All right, we're gonna join our 20-inch pipe cleaner. All right, so we got our bow. We're gonna tighten it up. Look at our fun little bow. All right, I'm gonna add this bow right down here to the bottom. All right, just gonna tighten this off. Y'all, we're just gonna pull our ribbon so that the words aren't covered. Dovetail it. So let's get this one and this one. So we are gonna need, I don't know how many we're gonna need. So let's go with, let's just do 7. All right, our ribbon tails are 13 inches. 4. All right, so we got all our ribbon tails. Y'all, now we're just gonna alternate ribbon tails and we're gonna go right into the same place that we added our ruffles. All right, so we're just gonna take our 2 ribbon tails, place them together, give it a little fold, and we're just gonna start adding them to all of the open twists. After you get it nice and tied in, go ahead and cut that extra pipe cleaner out. So I'm just gonna alternate between the different colors. All right, so we're gonna need 1, 2, 3 more tails. Y'all, I was gonna add 1 more ribbon tail over here, but I don't wanna add one on this side, so I might just leave them with these 2. Y'all, just a quick and easy basic deco mesh wreath. That's it for tonight. Bye, y'all.